Intelli MAX MAKE is a software that controls either the ROMAX or Maxium abrasive waterjet machining system. On an offline PC, MAKE can also simulate the process of making a part as well as be able to provide exact time and precision cost estimates. To start the process, simply open MAKE by double-clicking on its desktop icon. MAKE will open to its main screen, which features various controls, a preview window, and a pane that outlines the various statistics for the part that is loaded. Click on the Change Path Setup button to open a window that will allow us to change what part is loaded into MAKE as well as other settings. MAKE accepts ORD and OMX files that were created from Layout, IntelliCam, or any of the numerous third-party applications that have a post-processor that can output to one of MAKE's file formats. In this case, we will load in a file that was created in the Layout Fundamentals video, a square with a round hole. In the Material Setup section, you can choose what type of material the part will be cut from, or make your own listing if the existing list does not have the material the part needs to be cut from. You can also change the thickness, tool offset of the nozzle being used, and enable either the Tilt-A-Jet or A-Jet for taper removal and even bevel cutting. You can also do things such as tell MAKE to use low pressure piercing and cutting, or use a terrain follower accessory if one is available on the machine. Once all of the desired settings are in place, click OK to have MAKE calculate the needed motions based on the path setup options. Once MAKE is done calculating the motions for the tool path, we can see that there is information in the statistics pane that tells us such things as how long it will take to cut the part, how much the part will cost, and how much abrasive will be needed. There is other information about the job here as well. To make sure that the final part will turn out the way you expect it to, click on the Preview to Screen button, and you will see that MAKE has calculated for motor motions to achieve the desired tool path. You can position the cutting head to where you want your cut to start by using any one of the numerous jog and positioning tools. Advanced options such as Go to Spot on Path can be accessed via the right-click menus if desired. This keeps the interface simple for the beginner while allowing plenty of power for the advanced operator. When you are ready to cut the part, click on Begin Machining. You will then see the Path Control dialog, which features an easy-to-use interface to negotiate the path, much like buttons that you would use for a DVR, like the Ahead, Backup, and Pause buttons. Finally, when you are ready to start cutting the part, click on the Start button. Doing so will cause MAKE to start the cutting process and control the ROMAX or Maxium so that the part you have chosen and adjusted settings for in MAKE is the part that is cut into the material.